In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use artificial intelligence to help you write blog posts, help you rank, and help you get more traffic. Hey, my name is Jonathan, and I'm an SEO. And a lot of people don't know this, but it's super competitive now with all these media companies pushing out loads of content. But the best way is to fight fire with fire and start using AI and other tools to help you with your content process. So today I'm going to show you exactly how I'm using artificial intelligence and Frase.io to help me rank my blogs and get more traffic in the process. Let's jump in. So now we're going to compose a quick brief. So let's do this one for our H1. So what I like to do is I like to grab as many headlines as possible, and then I like to narrow it down and then put them in order. All right, so now we have a structured piece of content here, okay? Now we can actually use the AI draft, and then we can actually copy all of this. A quick trick, if we paste this over here, we can actually copy all of this, and then we can have Frase write us a quick outline really quick, right? So we go to outline, then we go to AI writer, and then we can just throw this in here, and it will either rewrite your competitor's content, summarize it, or write new AI content. And then that will actually push out content for you as well. So I wrote 3,000 words for us about why local businesses should use sales funnels. I think it's crazy what Frase can do. I think this is a great first draft. So this is the best sales funnels. I've got a blog post actually about going over the top sales funnels for local businesses already. So I can link to that. Frase just wrote a 3,000 word draft for us really quickly, right? So if you're on WordPress, you can actually use a plugin like Link Whisper to help you with your internal linking. Currently I'm using Webflow. And I'm using Ahrefs to find my internal links. So let's jump back over to Frase. I've got a bunch of different tabs open. And you can actually create more than one document, right? So 15 appalling benefits of having a sales funnel for local businesses. We rewrote that title already. And then we could play off this as well, right? So we've already got a bunch of different information. And then we can just go through this and start editing it down.